Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fidelity Go, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for Fidelity Go. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Fidelity Go website. On the Fidelity Go homepage, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If applicable, select the Remember Me option for future convenience. Once you've confirmed your information, click the Login button. After a moment, you will be taken to your Fidelity Go account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. You may also need to reset your password if you've forgotten it. To do this, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. Once logged in, you can navigate through your account features. Explore investment options and account management tools available on your dashboard. And that's how you log into Fidelity Go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.